everyone, welcome back. It's Emma here, and today I'm with my amazing friend, Alex. Say hi, Alex.
Hey everyone, I'm super excited to be here because today we're talking about something really fun and super useful. 10 awesome phrases you can use in everyday conversations to sound more natural in English.
Exactly. And don't worry, we're not just going to list them like boring grammar books. Nope, we're going to use them in real conversations, show you when to use them, and give lots of fun examples.
Oh yes, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to sound like a pro in your conversations.
So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's dive in with phrase number 1. Alex, let's start with something super common. You know, when you meet a friend, you don't always want to say, "How are you?" Because that sounds a little formal, right?
Exactly, Emma. That's where our first phrase comes in. How's it going? It's casual, friendly, and makes you sound like a native speaker.
Yes. So, if I meet you on the street, I might say, "Hey, Alex, how's it going?"
And I would reply, pretty good. Thanks. How about you? See, easy. It's just like saying how are you, but much more natural.
Can we give a few more examples? Like at work or a party?
Sure, Emma. Here is an example at party. Hey, how's it going? Haven't seen you in forever. And at work. Morning, Sarah, how's it going with the new project?
Perfect. So remember, use this when you want to sound casual and friendly. Okay, phrase 2. This one is my favorite because it's perfect when you haven't seen someone in a while. Instead of just saying, "How are you?" you can ask, "What have you been up to?"
Right. It means what have you been doing lately? So if we bump into each other after a few weeks, I might say, hey Emma, long time no see, what have you been up to?
And I'd reply, "Oh, I've been working a lot and learning how to bake."
Haha, nice. Or here's another example. Hi Mia, great to see you again. What have you been up to these days?
"Oh, just busy with school and trying to stay healthy." Perfect. So it's all about recent activities. Okay, next phrase.
This one is super useful because people will tell you plans and you need a friendly way to respond. Instead of just saying okay, try saying, that sounds great.
Yes. So if you invite me for coffee, I'd say, "Wow, that sounds great. When do you want to go?"
Exactly. Or if someone says, I'm planning a beach trip this weekend, you can reply, that sounds great. I love the beach.
Let's role play one more. Alex, we should check out that new pizza place downtown.
That sounds great. I've been craving pizza all week.
Perfect. Okay, moving on. I love this phrase because it's so positive. It means it's okay or don't worry about it. So if Alex says, "Sorry I'm late," I'd say, "No worries, I understand."
Exactly. It keeps the conversation light and friendly. Here's another example. I forgot to bring the book you lent me.
"No worries, you can bring it next time." And let me give you one more example, Alex, on this phrase.
You can, Emma?
"Oops, I spilled some water."
No worries. I'll grab a towel.
See, easy, simple, and super friendly. This one is great for showing understanding. Instead of just saying "I understand," you can say, I see what you mean.
Right. For example, English pronunciation can be really tricky sometimes.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Some words sound nothing like they're spelled.
All right. Next phrase, what's up?
Oh, I love this one. It's super common among friends. It's like saying, "What are you doing?" or "How are you?" but in a really relaxed way.
And the best part, you don't really expect a long answer. Most people just say, not much. What about you?
Exactly. Let's do an example. Hey, Jack, what's up?
Not much, just hanging out. What about you?
Nothing much, just chilling.
You can also use it when you want to start a conversation casually. Like if you see your friend online, you can say, hey, what's up?
But don't use it with your boss like, "What's up, Mr. Smith?" That would sound too informal.
Yeah, unless your boss is super cool.
Oh, this is one of my favorites. Long time no see.
Yeah, you use this when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while.
Like if I haven't seen Jack for a year, I'd say, "Hey, Jack, long time no see."
And I'd say, yeah, it's been forever, how have you been?
Exactly. It's a friendly way to reconnect.
Here's another example. If you run into an old classmate at the mall, you can say, wow, long time no see, what are you up to these days?
Just don't use it in a serious email. It's more for face-to-face conversations.
Okay, this one is fun. You've got to be kidding me.
Yes, you say this when you're surprised, maybe in a good way or a bad way.
Like if Mia told me she won the lottery, I'd say, you've got to be kidding me.
Or if your friend says they ate 20 burgers, you can say, "You've got to be kidding me."
It shows surprise or disbelief. Let's do a mini role play.
Hey, Jack, guess what? I'm moving to Japan next month.
You've got to be kidding me. That's amazing.
See? Super useful. The next one is positive and polite. That sounds great.
Yeah. You use it when you agree with someone's idea or plan.
For example, "Hey, Jack, let's grab lunch tomorrow."
That sounds great. What time?
Or if someone says, "We're having a party this weekend," you can say, "That sounds great. Count me in."
It makes you sound enthusiastic and friendly.
Next, we have exactly.
Oh, I love this one. You say it when you strongly agree with someone.
Like if I say, "Learning English takes practice."
Exactly. The more you practice, the better you get.
Or if someone says, "Coffee makes mornings better," you can say, "Exactly."
It makes the conversation more lively.
And our last phrase, "Let's get started."
You use this when you're ready to begin something like a meeting or a project.
For example, "All right, team, let's get started on this new idea."
Or, okay, let's get started with the lesson.
It sounds professional, but still friendly.
And that's all 10 phrases.
Yep, but don't just watch practice with us in the comments. Which phrase is your favorite?
And try to make your own example sentences too.
Thanks for watching, and remember,
Keep practicing and stay confident.